I think I like this. I like this. This is good. Right, y'all. So I had changed the scenery. I said, let's come outside. I'm just checking to see if y'all could see me from over here. Do we got good lighting? I had to just use both mics because people were letting me know that y'all only can hear my audio from one ear. So let me just check to make sure that y'all could see me. We gonna make a smoothie. So I came outside today because today was a nice day. I hope y'all can't. You know what? I just realized that there's some noise going on over here. I hope y'all can't hear that. Because it's like some kind of generator or something I'm by. But listen, the rooftop is crowded today because everybody wants to come out here because it's really nice. It's been humid in New York. But we're going to make a smoothie. This smoothie is called, hold on. It's called Blueberry Mint Smoothie. Now I'm going to tell y'all one thing about me because y'all might not know. I don't like mint. You know how people have like the chocolate chip mint cookies and stuff like that? I don't like that. I don't. But I'm just trying new things because I heard mint, it's good for the belly and we're trying new stuff. So I have my ingredients here. I'm going to come close to the camera so y'all can see it. Hold on. Everything I have, this is blueberries, frozen. This is frozen apples. Okay? And the mint are not frozen. I didn't freeze those at all. Okay? Those are our ingredients. And some apple juice is our ingredients also. So I'm just praying that this comes out good. I'm just hoping that y'all can't hear this loud noise, but it's all right because I'm going to just talk louder than the loud noise. Plus, my microphone should be on 100 right now because I got both of them turbo charged up. Y'all can hear me. Y'all can hear me. Right, y'all? Y'all see my little, because I'm trying new things. I was trying the baggy look. I don't really do baggy jeans, but it's like a thing, right? I be seeing y'all do that. And I was like, I want to do this too. Anyway, okay, let's stay focused. So our blueberry mint smoothie. Hold on, let me tuck y'all in real quick. Okay, so now that you're tucked in, we're gonna blend the mint leaves. I do not like mint, y'all. Y'all do not understand. So I'm not gonna put that much. All right, I'm gonna just put a few leaves. So we're gonna blend. This might be a little bit. I'm not doing all that. We're gonna blend the mint leaves and some apple juice. I mean, you could use whatever apple juice you want. I just use this apple juice that I found at Trader Joe's. So we're only making enough for me. Let me see something. So I only want to do like 8 ounces, which is 1 cup. So we're gonna put this to 1 cup right here. Okay. So we're gonna blend the apple juice and the mint leaves together, okay? Okay. Press blend. Right? Oh. So you're gonna blend this until hold on, I can take that out. You're gonna blend this until it's nice and smooth. And then you're gonna add the other ingredients. All right? So I'm gonna stop it. Okay, so now we're gonna add the apples and the blueberries. Okay? So, hold on. So I'm only making enough for me because it's just me. So these is the frozen blueberries. Right? Should I just put all of it? That's the frozen apples. I like apples. I feel like the combination is probably gonna make it. Let me just use all of it. Let me just use all of it. Okay? Because I want to taste this. It's me trying shit. How y'all think it's gonna taste? Y'all think it's gonna taste good? I mean, it look type good. All right. All right, let's pour it up. Ah. Okay. So we're gonna try it. Cheers. Okay. No, this ain't bad. It's not bad at all. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, I think they like me. Think they like me. I think I like this. I like this. This is good. So I like it. It's really good. This is good. I was nervous, y'all. I'm not gonna hold you. I was nervous as heck. I'm gonna tell you why I was nervous mostly. I don't like mint, but the mint is not overwhelming at all. It's not. I taste mostly apple and really apple. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the ingredients and directions below because you know what I'm saying? Good eating is a lifestyle, y'all. Remember that.